Hi guys, hope you're well. And I'm just from work, and I came here and I wanted to make some sukumawiki, so I came to my kitchen garden. Yeah, my kitchen garden has grown and my skumas are grown, and now I can pluck some leaves and just go and cook. So I wanted to pluck some leaves so that I can go and cook. Then I saw something that is very amazing, and I want to show you just now. So guys, the sukumawiki has grown, and as you can see, they are ready to be plucked and cooked. Let me show you how I'm doing it. So I just come and do this. Yeah, another one like this. Oh my goodness. Oops. And do this. Yeah, another one just like this. Yeah, like this. And in the process of plucking some, it's when I've come across something that is very amazing, and I want to just show you. So guys, these are some of the sukumawiki that I have already plucked, but there's something that has amazed me, and I said that I should show you. So there's this one leaf that I have come across. Let me show you. This one, and as you can see, there are two leaflets in one. This is one custom, but there are two. So I just found this leaf right here. Let me show you where I have obtained it from. So it was just here. It was like that. So you can see there are two leaves, but they are in one stem, and that has really amazed me, and I felt so good about it. So I want to ask you, according to you, what do you think this is an indication of? Or when you see this, how do you interpret it in your own way? How do you see this? How do you view this? Give me your comments and your views, guys. And I'm wearing some gumboots because it's kind of rainy. Nastaki kukuwa na matope. Yeah, that's how it goes. Just like this. Oh my goodness. Just like this. Just like this. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, and we are done, guys. Let me show you what I was able to get from the shamba. Yeah, so guys, we are done, and this is what I've managed. This is what I have managed to get. Yeah, this one, and this is enough for my family. Yeah, You can see they look so good. So guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye. Let me now go and cook. Bye.